Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll talk about the difference in experience of freshers versus working professionals at the Teach for India Fellowship. This is part 7 of a long series of videos that I've created on frequently asked questions by all of you. Here, I invite current cohort members to address some of the questions raised by you. In the past 6 videos, I have covered different areas of onboarding process, COVID-19 experience, day in the life of a fellow, role of English language, how are fellows allocated to different schools, and a lot more. I also want to give out a disclaimer that the views expressed by guests are their own and the content of this video is not sponsored in any way. I have already created a video on what the Teach for India program is about. In case you haven't watched that, I'm attaching the link here, and please consider looking at that before diving into the Q&A videos now. So, and also if you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. And on that note, let's get started.
So hi, I am Shivam Bhatnagar. I am an economics graduate. I completed my graduation from Kirodimal College of Delhi University. I graduated last year, and that was the year I applied for Teach for India Fellowship in my final semester. I joined TFI amidst the pandemic in July of 2020. So that's just a very brief introduction about myself. What got me into TFI? So I think I chose TFI because I'm quite passionate about development aspects and policy interventions basically. And how they trickle down to the masses. So I thought that Teach for India will be a perfect opportunity for me to provide that experience at the grassroots levels and basically see how things work at the grassroots and how it's impacting the people. And I also thought that it will give me a lot more clarity about the education system in India and the ed inequity that we face.
Being a fresher and you just joined immediately after college, do you see any particular advantage or disadvantage, say, people with work experience versus freshers bring to the table? I mean, are there any differences in learning outcomes that they are able to produce among kids, or it's the same after the training?
Of course. So I think once you have gone through the recruitment process, it's designed in such a way that they will choose only those fellows they feel are very determined towards making a change, who can align themselves with the vision and the purpose of TFI. And I don't think there is any bias in terms of selection when it comes to freshers or advanced professionals, because everyone is on a level playing ground when they are recruited. It's more about how they envision themselves. The recruitment process is rigorous in terms you have to present your lesson plans, you have to prepare a teaching video, sample teaching video, during the assessment center, and that's how they recruit the fellow. So there is no data as such about like experienced fellows are able to make more impact than fresher, or across different streams there has been differences in the training, because everyone is given a centralized training and that's how we operate with. So I don't think there is nothing to worry about your previous background while applying for Teach for India.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel so that I can bring to you more content, not just for TFI, but other courses and fellowship programs in the country. All the best and see you in the next one.